my fellow oddities, and welcome to another episode. Today is part 7 of our Clifty Falls. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share this video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So, to start things off, I will say that I did find way better of an angle this time around, and it's a lot easier to see everything, and I kind of panned it off to the left so that way I could zoom in and give you guys a little bit of a closer look at what I'm actually doing. So, I will do my best to kind of move the camera around so that way everything can be up close and personal, but at the same time you can get a full view of all of it. And so to continue on with this painting today, mostly we are going to be using burnt sienna, raw umber, Mars black, titanium white, and just a little bit of cadmium yellow, because I wanted to bring out some of those yellow hues right there in the front on top of those rocks. And I did also mix up some gel medium with a little bit of Mars black to do some shading and stuff in behind where the water's going to go on the waterfall. This will help really bring out that water when we lay it right on top of it. So now I'm going to start messing around with a little bit of these water reflections, and for that I just used some titanium white with just a very tiny little bit of burnt sienna into it, just so that it wasn't pure white. right, that's gonna do it for this episode, and if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. I really like how this is turning out. Being in this studio space has really helped me focus a little bit. The structure of my channel is going to change. We are going to be trying to do at least one video a week, but we will see how that works out with the way I'm recording now. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this video. Take a visit to that website, and I'll see you in the next episode.